between two tables. All right, maybe you're baffled, maybe you found them. The two things that have to be true is, number one, a shared field, one field that's in both tables. Number two, in at least one of those two tables where there's a shared field, that shared field needs to be a primary key. So those are the two things that have to be true to create a relationship between tables. And so far, the only way we've seen to create relationships between tables was through the lookup list, starting in the child table where the shared field was a foreign key, and then looking up from the parent table where the shared field was a primary key. And that created join lines. Well, I don't see any join lines here, but we are about to see another way to create relationships right here in this window. So, for example, I'm looking through these tables. As I look over in my parking table, I see a primary key named STR parking lot code. Just as a reminder, STR means it's a text field. And then I'm looking for some other table that has maybe a foreign key that I could join up with the